Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Aries for the month of September. This is a general love reading, so it won't resonate with everyone out there, so just keep that in mind. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. And yes, let's start the reading. Let's see what's going to happen for Aries in the month of September. I will also include general reading into this, so that you will have a glimpse of what's going to happen in your overall life, and then I will proceed with a full-fledged love reading. Yeah, so let's see what's going to happen for you, Aries, in the month of September. What's going to happen for Aries in the month of September? Okay, the first card is Seven of Swords. You might be dealing with the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What's going to happen for Aries in the month of September? Going to happen for Aries in the month of September? The Magician, Gemini energy, the Empress, Taurus energy, Eight of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Six of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag, or it might be your energy. So first I'll tell you what's going to happen for you generally, like in your general life. I'm seeing you will be feeling like in the first half of month you will feel a bit stuck, or maybe you will feel you are coming out of some issues, some obstacles, dealing with some obstacles that were keeping you stuck. Okay, in your general life, it might be about your finance or career. You might feel a little stuck in the first half of the month, and in the later of the month you will see you will receive whatever you are expecting regards to your finances, your career, your health. Overall you will feel a lot more confident in the last last half of the month, 15 days, like last 15 days of the month. So in the first half of the month you will feel a bit stuck. You might feel as if things are not going as planned. You were not expecting this to happen, and that things will be, you will see them happening in the first half of the month, and in the later you will see things falling into place. You will feel a bit more confident. You will feel assertive. You will start taking actions. Yeah, so things will be moving quite smoothly towards the end of the month. You will also see whatever you were manifesting, you will see them coming to fruition. You will see things coming to going to a much better place coming towards the end of the month. Whatever the obstacles were, they are just vanishing. You will see things magically falling into place. Okay, not much, I'm not getting much about the finances, but the overall month will be quite, 50% of the month will be quite stressing you out. You will have stress, anxiety. You will feel yourself stuck. You need to also take action, like assertive. You have to be quite assertive in the month of September. And towards the end of the month, like the end of the month, you will see things falling into place. So yeah, now let's proceed towards your love reading. I'm sensing this, the person you're dealing with, the person you are in love with, they will find very hard to reach you, to connect to you. They will feel as if it's very hard to reach you, to connect to you. They might also feel there are a lot of obstacles. They will feel as if you are blocking your energies, not opening up, or it is you who will be feeling like that for your person. There will be trust issues. You might feel as if you are not being able to trust this person. as you were being able to do in the past. In the month of September, things will be quite revealing. Some truth will be revealed, and then you will just stand for yourself. Just come into your power. You are going to realize something, either about this connection or about this person, which will make you to take stand for yourself. You will come quite strong. You are coming off quite strong in the month of September, taking action for yourself, taking stand for yourself. And this person, I'm seeing this person feeling stuck. Maybe they are keeping you stuck, your energy stuck. I'm definitely seeing you will come to some sort of realization which is going to change the whole situation in this connection. It will change everything. How you look at this connection, how you look, things moving forward with this person. I'm seeing a lot of you gathering a lot of strength and standing up for yourself. There are a lot of realizations when it comes to this connection and this person. Let's clarify something. Some cards over here. What is the Seven of Swords about? You will feel the sneaky vibes about this person. You will feel as if they are doing something wrong, or maybe you will get some proofs to prove your point. Yeah, you will get some proofs to prove your point that yes, this person was wrong the whole time. What is the Seven of Swords about? See, Seven of Swords, clarifying the Seven of Swords. I'm definitely seeing this person, you are going to see the reality, the real side of this person's character. Yeah, you're going to get some realizations about this person, which will make you, quite strong towards the end of the month. What is the Eight of Swords about, please, for Aries, the partner? See, Six of Pentacles. I'm seeing you becoming quite strong, you taking steps for yourself, you standing up for yourself, being quite strong. You won't keep yourself stuck, you won't keep yourself blindfolded. You will come up with a decision that is going to change like the whole scene. Yeah, for the better. What is the Six of Swords about for Aries partner? See, the Tower. I think you are going to face something, the harsh reality of this relationship, and you are going to come very strong. Yeah, quite determined to take action for yourself, to take stand for yourself, to be in the power. Wow, this is beautiful. I'm not getting anything else, so I won't continue, rounding up the reading. What more do we have in the oracle messages? What messages do we have for Aries? You're coming off very strong in the month of September, Aries. And that is your strong point. You come off very strong from each and every situation in your life. And that is what I like about Aries. So I told you, flourish. I think, let's read the message first. The Lotus Flower Fairy tells you to learn from experience and shed your inner light on any unclear areas of your life. I told you, you're going to see some reality. Any unclear areas of your life, the things which you were not seeing with your open eyes. Maybe you're not seeing the reality, you're going to see that in the month of September. You're going to come up with a very strong realization about some person or some connections in your life. Protection, see, the fairies of protection are shielding you with a magical fairy ring of love and light. Perhaps psychic protection before embarking upon any spiritual work. I think you are being protected, you are being guided, you are being kept safe with the fairies and the spirit guides. So yeah, beautiful reading. Now let's see what advice do we have from the handwritten advices. What advice do we have for Aries? What messages do we have for Aries? Belief. I think you need to work on your belief system. Maybe you are blindfoldedly trusting on someone, or maybe you have some beliefs about someone, you need to change that, or about the overall life. Yeah. What two more messages for Aries? Ambitious. You need to work on your career, your ambitions. You need to set goals. You need to be ambitious. or you are going to become ambitious. I see that you're becoming quite assertive about your life. What more do we have for Aries? What messages do we have for Aries? Yeah, manifestation. I told you, you're manifesting. See, the Magician card is here and we have the manifestation card over here. You are manifesting your life, the better things in life, the better phase in life. Yeah, that was a beautiful reading for Aries. I hope you liked the reading. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.